Learn police vehicle name and sounds. Police utility vehicle. This is a police utility vehicle, a versatile police vehicle capable of carrying officers, equipment, and operating on various terrains, from busy cities to rural areas. Police pickup truck. This is a police pickup truck, a police pickup used to transport heavy cargo, rescue tools, or tow other vehicles during special operations. Highway patrol vehicle. This is a highway patrol vehicle, a high-speed patrol car designed to monitor traffic, catch speeding drivers, and respond quickly on highways. Police patrol car. This is a police patrol car, the standard patrol vehicle, a familiar image of police officers maintaining public safety every day. Police snowmobile. This is a police snowmobile, a special snow vehicle for patrolling and rescuing in icy conditions where regular vehicles cannot operate. Police prisoner transport van. This is a police prisoner transport van, a secure van used to safely transport prisoners between jails or to court. Police drone. This is a police drone, an unmanned aerial vehicle used for surveillance, search and rescue, and tracking suspects from a safe distance. Police sport car. This is a police sport car, a high-performance police car used for high-speed pursuits and also as a modern, powerful symbol of law enforcement. Police airplane. This is a police airplane, a police aircraft for large area surveillance, border patrol, and tracking fugitives. Police Mobile Command Center. This is a police mobile command center, a mobile headquarters equipped with advanced technology to coordinate operations directly at major scenes.
Prisoner transport truck.
This is a police prisoner transport truck, a large, secure police truck designed to transport multiple prisoners at once, equipped with reinforced compartments and safety systems to prevent escapes. Smart police car? This is a smart police car, a high-tech police car with automatic license plate recognition, 360-degree cameras, and onboard computers connected to police databases. Police the Rook. This is the Police the Rook, an armored vehicle with a hydraulic arm used to breach doors, evacuate people, or create a safe shield in dangerous situations. SWAT vehicle. This is a SWAT vehicle, an armored transport used by SWAT teams to protect officers during dangerous missions. Police tow truck. This is a police tow truck, a tow truck used to remove illegally parked or damaged vehicles from the scene. Police helicopter. This is a police helicopter, a helicopter for aerial pursuit, surveillance, and emergency rescue. Police unmarked car. This is a police unmarked car, a plain police vehicle used for undercover missions and discreet surveillance. Police Segway. This is a police Segway, a two-wheeled electric vehicle ideal for patrolling crowded areas such as malls, parks, or events. Police bicycle.
There you go.
This is a police bicycle, a police bike for quick and flexible movement in narrow areas and better community interaction. Police airboat. This is a police airboat, a flat-bottom boat powered by a large fan, used for patrolling and rescuing in swamps and shallow waters.
Yeah.
Police Riot van. This is a police Riot van, a secure van that transports riot control officers and protective gear. Police bomb robot.
The bomb robot is about a 400-pound piece of machinery.
This is a police bomb robot, a remotely operated robot designed to safely handle explosive devices.
And the robot could pick up nominally with the dirt and signal the fire to
Mounted police. This is mounted police. Police officers on horseback, often seen patrolling parks, leading parades, or controlling large crowds. Police dog. This is a police dog, a trained service dog for detecting drugs, explosives, tracking criminals, or rescue missions. Police motorcycle. This is a police motorcycle, a fast and agile motorcycle used for quick patrols and navigating heavy traffic. Police armored vehicle. This is a police armored vehicle, a heavily armored vehicle designed to withstand gunfire, used in counter-terrorism and hostage rescue missions. Police water cannon truck. This is a police water cannon truck, a truck equipped with a high-pressure water cannon to disperse crowds and extinguish small fires. Police bus. This is a police bus, a bus used to transport large groups of officers or detainees. Police boat. This is a police boat, a patrol boat for law enforcement on rivers, lakes, and coastal waters, also used in rescue missions.